This is on definite integral, question 36 of WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian students. We are to evaluate the integral from 1 to 2 of 3x squared minus 4x plus 6 dx. Now, if you can remember, the rule for integration is to increase the power of the variable by 1 divided by the result. So that means that if I increase this power, I should be having 3x plus 1 here will be 3 divided by 3 minus 4x. 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 2 plus, this is a power of what? X power 0. Add 1 to it, it becomes x power what? 1 times the 6. So x power 1 divided by 1 will give the same result. Then we have the limit of 2 to 1. I can see that this will cancel. So in this bracket, I'll be left with x power 3. 2 will go here. 2 x power 2 plus 6x in the limit interval of 1 to what? 2. So now let's substitute the upper limit and the lower limit respectively. That means upper limit of 2. So I should be having 2 exponent 3 minus 2 exponent 2. This 2 is coming from the limit here, plus 6, 2 minus, replace the x with 1, the lower limit, 1 exponent 3, 2, 1 exponent 2, 6 times what? 1. In the first bracket, I should be having 8 minus, this is going to be 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Plus 2, 6, 12 minus, this will still give you, let me have it here, 1. This will still give you 1 times this, 2 plus 6. So let's see what happened here. This will give you 0. This will be giving you 12. This minus into bracket, this minus this will give you minus 1. Minus 1 plus this will give you what? 5. So the answer is just going to be what? 7. So the evaluation of this integral will be 7. And that will be the option what? C for a preferred choice. Thanks for watching. Like, share the video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe if you have not.